Hello guys, welcome back to another video of x86 assembly. In this video we are going to discuss about loops with a simple example program. So let's start the video. What is meant for loops? So loops is nothing but to execute a set of instruction continuously until the condition fails or until the condition succeed. So depend upon the condition. If you want to execute a set of instructions continuously, then you must use loops. For creating a loop in x86 assembly, we must create a user label, user function, and you need to write the set of instructions in that user function, and then at the end of the instruction, at the end of your user function, you must use a label called loop. This is an example for creating a loop. Okay, let's see in practical manner, in a practical way. See here, this is the program that I am gonna explain. This program will print the numbers from 1 to 9. I'm going to explain the code in a clear way. Please pay some attention. Okay, here this is BSS section. I think all members know what is BSS section. BSS section is used for reserving the uninitialized variables space. So here we reserved 1 byte for the variable named as number, and in text section as this we started our start label, and we pushed we moved the 10 number to ECX register and 1. See here, this is ASCII character, so the number will be stored in ASCII character and we must convert into binary number while printing it. Please make this point to remind. Okay, we assigned number ASCII number 1 to EAX register. Okay, this is our user label or user function called L1. See here, this is a number, EAX register having the data as ASCII character 1, and we are pushing the character to number variable, and we are going to print that character using stdout file descriptor with opcode 4 and syswrite system call with opcode 1, and again we are going to push the ECX value in the stack to maintain the incrementable variables. I will discuss about the stack later, and we are going to push the number to ECX register. So then the ECX will get automatically decremented and the EAX register will get incremented automatically. See here, the EAX register will get incremented and the EDX register will ECX register will get decremented by 1. So here move EAX comma number, so the data that is stored in number will be moved to EAX register, and subtraction with -0 means the number will get converted from ASCII to binary, and again incrementing EAX. See here, the initial value of EAX register is 1. After incrementing the EAX register, it will increment it to 2, and that will be converted into again ASCII character, and then we are going to pop the ECX value again to introduce the new value into the stack. So, and again we used it as loop. Loop means to execute the instruction again till the ECX register reaches to 0. Here our condition is if ECX register reaches 0, then our program will get terminated. So likewise the program will print up to the number 9. So the number 9, if we get printed number 9, then our ECX register will get will store 0. So after checking that 0 value, our program will get terminated, and here we mention the EAX means sysexit system call by using opcode 1, and we interrupted the kernel with the relevant system call. So our program will exit perfectly and there will be no errors, I hope. Let us execute if we find any errors or not. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, up to 9 we get printed, we printed the numbers. So that is the usage of loops. To execute a set of instructions continuously we will use loops, and we can also use loops by jump instruction. You can use the loops by using conditional jump or unconditional jump, as I mentioned that conditional jump instructions and unconditional jump instructions in my previous video. If you don't know about the jump instructions, you can refer them, and if you are directly seeing this video you can't understand anything, please see the previous video to understand this video content. So I hopefully thinking that I am thinking that the program is successfully delivered and explained to you. This is how the loops will executed in x86 assembly, and we use loop label as to create a set of not as to continuously iterate the instructions. So this is how the loops will get executed. I think all members understood how loops will get executed using stack. By using stack, so pop ECX. So here ECX value will get decremented automatically and it will get pushed on to the next iteration. So the value will get decremented by 1. So the present value will be 9. So after iterating everything it will get 0. So after pushing the ECX value to stack, then our program will get 0 as a result. Then our program will get terminated. So and later the program control will move to here this part, and then we mentioned here the exit system call by using kernel opcode as 1, and here we interrupted our kernel with relevant system call. So the program will get automatically terminated without any errors. I hope you understood this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell icon and never miss an update from our channel. Happy learning. Have a great day.